Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'm sharing a quick video of a card I made with my Cricut machine. This is a 3D card with a sewing machine and flower design. I purchased this design from Furrow Feather Etsy shop and cut it out using my Cricut. The design purchase comes with a PDF with tips on cutting and instructions on assembling the card. It also includes a 5x7 envelope, which can be cut from a 12x12 sheet of cardstock. I used my fine point blade and a scoring stylus to cut the design. Once it was cut, I glued the layers together using a glue stick. The sewing machine is made from 3 layers, and the flowers behind have several layers on each flower and on the green stems. After the layers are assembled, the back tabs are folded and taped to the back of the sewing machine. Then the flowers are added in between. This design folds flat so that it will fit into an envelope. Once it's removed from the envelope, it can be popped open and it will stand by itself on a table. If you would like to see photos of the assembly steps or purchase this pattern, please visit our website by clicking the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed seeing this card I made and make one for yourself. Happy crafting!